Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new case I just got for my new iPhone 16 Pro. So this is my iPhone 16 Pro I got in the Desert Titanium, and I wanted to get a good case to protect it. So I'm trying out the Mous case, and this is the Limitless stone fabric case. So let's open it up and see what it's like. Get a warranty and a warning for the magnetic field for the MagSafe. Okay, so you can see the case here. It's got like a slight fabric material on the back, which looks really nice. You can see here we have the Mous logo, and then they also have a little logo up here. So you can see here over the camera, it's sort of raised to help protect the camera. And then we have our buttons, which are covered. And there's a bit of grip there for when you're holding the case. And then on this side here, we've got the power button and the cutout for the camera control. And this is what the ports and speaker cutouts look like. Then on the inside, we have a nice material to help protect it, and you can see the MagSafe as well. And if we look up here, you can see the green part says it's air shock, so I'm guessing it's got some special padding around that. So yeah, it looks really nice. I like the color. This is what it looks like next to my phone. Okay, so let's put it on and see what it's like. Okay, so that's what the camera cutout looks like. They've left it a lot wider than another case I have, so you can make sure you have full access to it. I do have another case, this one here, which I just got off Amazon. It's just a cheaper case. I've also reviewed this one if you want to check the review out. But you can see this one is covered all the way around. I still don't have any problems using the camera control with this one, but I think with this case, you do have a lot more space. Not sure how I feel about this being open, but I think it should be fine. So let's have a look at the buttons. So the buttons have a really nice click to it. So that's good. The edges are made from like a plastic, so it's not super grippy. It's a little bit slippery, but it's not too bad. I do like this textured fabric on it. It's quite nice. And I've also got a cover on my camera, so that's why it's sort of made it all flush like that. In the other video I've done about this case, I also installed a screen protector and the camera cover if you wanted to check that out. But yeah, this case is quite nice. We'll see how it goes after using it. I really like how the colors look together. The Desert Titanium and this stone color looks quite nice. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out this case as well. But the quality of the case seems like it's very well made. I think it's going to protect the case well. Like you can see that the edges are raised up as well, so if I put it down on the table, it's not going to scratch up the screen. You can tell it's a very high quality case. The only thing I don't like about it is a little bit slippery in the hand. It would have been nice to have maybe a different material on the edge to make it a little bit more grippy. But apart from that, I really like how it looks. So one last thing I forgot to mention is how the MagSafe is on this case, and it's really good. So I haven't had any issues with any of my MagSafe accessories. It sticks to them all really well. You can see here on my MagSafe charger, it sticks to it perfect. And also on my MagSafe car mount, it sticks to that really well as well. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to check out that other video for the JE Tech case that I got from Amazon, I'll link that below as well. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.